Hey, my name is Pizza and today I'm gonna show you 5 simple text tricks that you can use in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's jump straight into it. First, I'll select the text layer and go up to Essential Graphics. But if you don't see it on your workspace, you can go up to Windows, hover over it, scroll down to Essential Graphics and bam, you will have Essential Graphics as well. Then make sure that you click on Edit, then select the text, move down to Align and Transform, click on Vertical Center, then Horizontal Center, and bam, you got your text automatically aligned into the middle of the program monitor. Continue with trick number 2. I will duplicate the text layer by holding Alt and the left button of the mouse. Then I'll go up to the Effect Control panel, open the text settings, scroll down to Fill and change the color to orange. Then I'll select the second text layer, go back to the Effect Control panel, open the text settings and create a rectangle mask. Then I'll go to the program monitor and readjust the mask. After that, I'll drag it at the very beginning of the text, and again I'll go back to the Effect Control panel, down to Mask Path and create a keyframe. After that, I'm gonna move the cursor a few frames forward and drag the mask at the very end of the text. Also, I'm gonna increase the feather to around 53. And boys and girls and boys, we've got the shine effect. With trick number 3, I will select the text layer again, go up to Windows, open Essential Graphics, click on Edit and go down to this little icon where it says New Layer. From there, I'm going to scroll down to From File and choose the video I want to upload. Then I'm going to move the video below the text, move across to the Effect Control panel, open the text settings and scroll down to Appearance. From there, I'm going to tick on this box where it says Mask with Text. And just like that, we've got video into text. And guess what? Again, I'm going to select the text layer, go to Effects and type down Transform. After that, I'm going to grab the Transform effect and drop it onto the text layer and move up to the Effect Control panel. From there, I'm going to go down to Scale and create a keyframe with value 1. Then I'm going to move a few frames forward and create a second keyframe with the original value of the text, which is 100 in this case. After that, I'm gonna tick off the composition shutter and increase the shutter angle up to 360 degrees. Then I'm gonna select the first keyframe and ease out, the second keyframe and ease in. But when I play it now, I think that it's a little bit too slow. So that's why I'm gonna move the second keyframe closer to the first one. And when I play it now, we've got a perfect motion blur effect. And yeah, I'm gonna select the text layer again, go to Effects, type down Noise, grab the noise effect and drop it over to the text layer. Again, I'm gonna go up to the Effect Control panel, increase the noise effect to around 15 and scroll down to opacity where I'm gonna decrease it to around 75%. And that's how quick and simple you can create this effect. And that's all guys, I hope you enjoyed, and if you did so, please hit that like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.